Now we are going to take a journey through time and explore the history of Python, one of the most popular programming language in the world. Come, let's dive in. Origins of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, in the late 1980s. At that time, Guido was working at the Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica (CWI) in the Netherlands. Well, coming to earlier development of Python, Guido becomes working on Python in December 1989 as a successor to the ABC language. He wanted to address the limitation of ABC and created a language that was easier to read and write with a syntax that emphasized code readability. While coming to Python 1.0, Python 1.0 was officially released in February 1991. The first version already included many of the features we love about Python today, such as exceptional handling, functions, and the code data types such as string, list, dictionary, etc. While growing the popularity of Python, throughout the 1990s, Python's popularity grew steadily. It attracted a community of developers who contributed to its development, leading to the release of Python 2.0 in October 2000. This version introduced list comprehensions, garbage collections, and many other improvements. While coming to Python 2.x series, the Python 2.x series continued to evolve with each version adding more features and optimization. Python's simplicity and readability made it a favorite for both new and experienced programming. Transition to Python 3.x. In December 2008, Python 3.0 was released. This version was not backward compatibility with Python 2.x, which caused some controversy. However, Python 3 introduced many improvements and cleanups to the language, making it more consistent and efficient. Python 2's end of life. Python 2.7 was the last release in Python 2x series, and it was supported until Jan 1st, 2020. The end of life for Python 2 encouraged the community to transition to Python 3. Python today. Well, coming to the today's Python is more popular than ever. It's widely used in web development, data science, artificial, scientific computing, and many other fields. The Python Software Foundation, along with the global Python community, continues to develop and improve the language. While coming to its topic conclusion, from its humble beginning to becoming a cornerstone of modern programming, Python's journey is truly remarkable.